What to expect from the stock market in 2022? Hello everyone, and welcome back to Investing with Tony. And as always, it's me again, your host Sophie, from Tony's team. In today's video, we aren't going to look at individual stocks. Instead, we'll talk about volatility and the state of the stock market moving forward. So, in 2020, the market was great. March, April, and May specifically looked really well and attracted a lot of new investors. Or, in other words, it was pretty easy to make good returns, even for a beginner. And don't get me wrong, Tony is all for new people getting into the market and securing their financial independence. But it's not something that can last in the long run because the market always corrects itself. Tony knows it, you guys know it, all of the people in her private investing group know it, but many of these new investors who just stumbled into the market during 2020 didn't. And so, these people went straight into small cap companies because they looked so incredibly lucrative and expected that it would last forever. Then, March 2021 happened, and the overvalued stocks started dropping. But, of course, when an overvalued stock starts dropping, it doesn't just return to its correct valuation and stop there. It keeps dropping. And that's exactly what happened to all those small cap companies the new investors got into. They dropped hard. The solid large cap and tech companies were the ones who weathered the storm largely unaffected, while the smaller businesses crashed and burned. Tony made a couple of videos talking about this because she wanted to explain the situation and help people understand that this isn't the end of the market or anything, but just a normal thing that happens. And, yes, Tony knows that a lot of companies dropped much harder than usual, but, really, what else could you expect when you look at the valuations they had? That's just the stock market for you, guys. Why is this happening? Supply line issues, mainly the US, things are more expensive. The global health situation, new infections variants and lots of new cases. Closures and overall worries, people are less likely to spend money. Restrictions and mandates, people are less likely to go where they want to be to spend their money. Recession worries, a recession will happen at some point, but there's really no way to accurately predict it. Forward PE ratios for the S&P indexes are off the charts, this will cause more volatility down the line. All of these things affect the stock market and create more and more volatility. Then, the stocks start dropping. The impatient, scared, or inexperienced investors quickly sell out of their positions, and the stocks drop. Then, the long-term investors come in and start buying cheap shares. Eventually, the price starts going back up. And this cycle repeats itself over and over. To be honest, Tony expects this trend to continue for a while because, as we all know, these factors aren't going away anytime soon. So, what about 2022? What should you expect? In short, volatility. Yes, really. But okay, Tony is a long-term investor, and if you're watching this video, you're either following a similar strategy or you're looking to learn how long-term investing works. So, here's what she thinks. Patience is the key. In the end, the long term is the only thing that matters. Tony doesn't buy stocks because she likes them right now. She buys stocks because she believes in the business for the long term. Tony looks for reliable companies with good fundamentals, solid numbers, and excellent management. As long as these factors are present and Tony agrees with their vision and values, she can confidently sit in her position and wait. And that's all we've got for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to let us know by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. As always, we are open to questions and requests for future videos, so if you've got any of those, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. If you'd like to learn more about the stock market and really boost your investing career, check out our private investing group. The link will be in the description as usual. We've got a ton of exclusive content, free PDFs and ebooks, courses, and more. To create these videos, take a lot of time and effort, so we need your love, comment, like, and share, and we will make sure to create even more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to check our website Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta.com and grab one of our courses or books. Thank you again for watching. And remember, always stay very motivated.